Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets. And today, for Good Friday, since the markets are closed, I choose to do a trade recap video. Well, a trade recap video of yesterday's price action. All right, let's start. Let's keep this simple, keep this short. 9:30, 9:30 candle was this black one over here. Let's zoom in and put it on the right. So 9:30 candle was this black one over here. All right. Came Created the first fair value gap at 931, as you see over here. Okay. Came back up, tried to pop these, uh, tried to go higher than the high of the 930 candle, didn't, came back. All right. I traded within this first percent fair value gap and then this order block. Okay. But yesterday I was, I don't know, there was something that was telling me early in the session. It was not very wicky early in the session, but it became later. Like you see a lot of wicks in the day, anyways, compared to, let's see, compared to prior, small wicks, just full body candles, and not much wicking action. So those are low resistant liquidity run days. But Thursday was a high resistance liquidity run day, and it respected all of the pivot points that I had set up in my chart. So early in the day, when it came back and created these relatively equal highs, I was talking about possibly entering a short at this inversion fair value gap. All right. If it would have passed these equal highs, I would take this as a short and put my stop above here. It didn't do that, continued going down, but in very high resistance liquidity conditions. You see that? There's no clear breakdown. It's all full range up and down, up and down, up and down, even all the way till here. You have three candles, then it seems like it was going to reverse, boom, down. Then a lot of time just to pass this low. All right. So, stopped at this order block. I took two trades. Two trades, one at the entrance of this first presented fair value gap, and one at this the consequent encroachment of this order block. And I shorted. I was in profit, but then I trailed my stop. Like over here, I was in profit, and I was like, today's like Friday, so I didn't feel like taking any risk. Had a great week, fantastic week, and trailed my stop. Trailed my stop to this high. So if it would have passed this fair value gap over here, I would say, okay, I'm out. But I should have put it at this high. That's fine. Got stopped out. Watched it come down all the way to my second point of interest. All right. This this fair value gap on the 1 minute, and I think, is it on the 5 minute? No, or 15 minute. Let's see. It's the 15 minute. Was it? Give me a second. Why the heck? Yeah, 15 minute inversion, the first inversion out of these three. So I took that trade. I bought it over here in the inversion. All right. And then it was giving me the same conditions as this morning. High resistance over here. High resistance, a lot of, fucking around. And I put it right above break even. I put it like at 0.3 or 0.4, 0.04% in profit just to, I don't know, secure like commissions for tomorrow's trades. And right here, it took me out by like two ticks, and then ripped all the way to my take profit, which was here. Since I knew it was high resistance liquidity conditions, I took the short, and this was at a 5 minute. Is it probably a 5 minute? Next time I'll just put them on screen like that. We don't get lost. New, so it must be the 50. No, that's yes, 5 minute fair value gap right here. You see that? So I entered a bit before over here on that little red arrow and exited at these highs because it might have started another move up at these because it was high resistance liquidity conditions. You see these wicks? Like this is nasty. This is a nasty, nasty price action day, but it's fine. Some people love trading in this. Personally, I do not. So I took it from over here at 18,316 all the way down to 18,254, exactly at these highs, and got out. After that, the rest is history. Look at this. Respected the first presented fair value gap twice. Made a new low, didn't pass the consequent encroachment of this 15-minute fair value gap over here. Boom. Ripped past it, and guess what it took? My first target of this morning, it didn't pass it. Body stayed below it. Never passed consequent encroachment. This morning's inversion fair value gap, that was my target as a short. And what a beautiful target it was to short, even short again, like wait all day and short at that price. But we finished the day at like what, 11:27, and that was enough because it's really draining going through this through these high resistance liquidity conditions. So in that case, sometimes you're just better off shutting off your computer and saying that's it. So that's my trade recap for yesterday. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Put the notification on like that. You are notified every time I go live or make a pre-market Nasdaq analysis. Those run from 8:30 to 9, and I post it by 9 like that. You guys have the analysis before market open, and I trade live at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every day, Monday to Friday. Peace.